Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. Today we shall discuss our next problem using limits. Evaluate limit as x tends to 0, x into sin x divided by e to the power of x minus 1 the whole square. So the first thing is given. Limit as x tends to 0, x into sin x divided by e to the power of x minus 1 the whole square. So this is given and consider it as equation 1. So by clearly observing we can see that the limit is of 0 by 0 form. So if it is 0 by 0 form, using L'Hospital's rule, differentiate numerator and denominator. We have, that is, limit as x tends to 0. So the first thing is we need to apply the u into v form. So differentiation of x is 1 into keeping sin x as it is plus then x into differentiation of sin x is cos x divided by, we have e to the power of, next we need to differentiate the denominator. So e to the power of x minus 1 the whole square. So this can be written as 2 into, upon differentiating we can write it as 2 into e to the power of x minus 1. Then again differentiation of e to the power of x minus 1. Differentiation of e to the power of x is e to the power of x and differentiation of 1 is 0. So this upon differentiating numerator and denominator we have sin x plus x into cos x divided by 2 into e to the power of x minus 1 into e to the power of x. So again by observing we can say that this is again of the 0 by 0 form. So again we need to again differentiating numerator and denominator. So we write that is limit as x tends to 0. We need to differentiate this. So differentiation of sin x is cos x plus. So again this is of the form u into v. So differentiation of x is 1 into keeping cos x as it is plus x into differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Then differentiating the denominator, that is keeping 2 as it is. So we shall differentiate, apply u into v form. So that is differentiation of e to the power of x minus 1, that is differentiation of e to the power of x is e to the power of x and differentiation of 1 is 0. Then into keeping e to the power of x as it is. Then plus, now keeping e to the power of x minus 1 as it is, then differentiation of e to the power of x is e to the power of x itself. So therefore we write it as cos x plus cos x, then plus into minus is minus x into sin x divided by 2 into e to the power of x into e to the power of x plus e to the power of x minus 1 into e to the power of x. So we have obtained the constant value at the denominator. So now we shall directly apply x tends to 0. Wherever there is x, we shall directly apply the limit as x tends to 0. And therefore we can write it as limit as x tends to 0. So cos 0 plus cos 0 minus 0 into sin 0 whole divided by 2 into e to the power of 0 into e to the power of 0 plus e to the power of 0 minus 1 into e to the power of 0. So therefore we know that cos 0 is nothing but 1 plus again cos 0 is 1 and 0 into sin 0 is 0 divided by, then keeping 2 as it is, e to the power of 0, anything to the 0 is 1. So it will be 1 into 1 will be 1, then e to the power of 0 is 1 minus 1 is 0. So this will be 0. So 1 plus 0. So 1 plus 1 it will be 2. Then 1 plus 0 1, 2 into 1 is again 2. So 2 to cancel and therefore we have 1. So therefore we have obtained the value, that is limit as x tends to 0, x into sin x divided by e to the power of x minus 1 the whole square. So this is the required answer, that is 1. Thank you friends. For more problems on L Hospital rule, go through our channel and please subscribe us.